We are going to perform the activity on list. Here we have a list named MCA and it contains three variables and the list is enclosed within the square braces and the index value ranges from 0, 1 and 2. Here we are going to perform the append operation.
Append function. It adds the element at the last.
After appending, the element name is added to the end of the list. It has the index value of 3. As the next operation, we are going to perform removing an element.
Remove function.
Here we are going to remove the element partha. The index value added to the last will get out of the list and the element partha will also get out of the list. Now the index value is replaced with the final value. And the next operation we are going to perform is the insert value. At the first position, the name of the element is Chinna.
Insert function. It adds the element at the specific position.
Here we have given the element position as number 1 and the element is added to the first position. We are going to perform the sort operation as the final operation. Sort operation arranges the elements in the arithmetical order or else in the numerical order.
Sort functions. It arranges the elements.
And now we are printing the elements of the list.
Print function.
While printing While printing the elements, the final sorted list will be printed as the result. Thank you.